In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a bundle on Vinted so you can buy or sell multiple items at once and save on shipping. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and then just select the item that you wanted to purchase. You can use the search bar here to search for an item, but in my case, I am very interested in this Adidas jacket or hoodie. Now all I have to do is once the page opens their profile, you can see all their listings. Okay, so you have another New York Mets or a Shane. There's a lot. Now all I have to do is super simple. Click the create bundle. And then what will happen is you can build a bundle of items that you wanted to purchase from that specific seller. For example, I am going to add this one and probably this. Let's say I'm gonna choose this New York Mets and then this one as well. After that is all I have to do is click the review bundle. Now bundles work best when the seller has multiple items right here. And of course, as you can see, the bundle discount is around 20% and that's gonna be like $18. You save $18 by utilizing and taking advantage of the bundles. Alright? Now, after reviewing the bundle, all I have to do is you can click the buy now or make an offer, or if you want to message the seller. So if you have more questions about the specific listing, alright, it's super simple. Write a message, and basically that's it for today's video on how to create a bundle on Vinted. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.